In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to cancel an order on Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the U page. Now here you're going to find this option of your orders. Click on that. Now find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to open its details. Now look for the option that says cancel order or cancel items. Tap on it, then select the items you want to cancel. Choose a reason for cancellation and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Once you submit a request, Temu will process it and send you a confirmation email. Keep in mind you can only cancel an order if it has not been shipped yet. If the order is already packed or shipped, the cancel option may not appear and you will need to wait for delivery and request a return instead. After cancellation is approved, your refund will be sent back to your original payment method or as Temu credit, depending on what you choose, and it may take a few days to process. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.